Morning friends. This question appeared in CAT exam again. So there are 600 schools whose survey has been conducted to gather information about the online teaching learning process. There are four facilities which these schools might have or don't have. So these are the facilities. Total 600 schools are given, and we are given some information down here. So this is the typical question of which can be solved by Venn diagram help. So to solve Venn diagram questions, we have to make four intersecting blocks. So how do we do that? First, we make one square of 3 by 3. Okay. Then we make these curves. So this will be F1 facility, F2 facility, F3 facility, and F4 facility. Okay. So here we are given some statements and we'll try to solve it with the help of those. So 600 are total number of schools whose survey has been conducted. So out of those, 80 schools did not have any of the four facilities. Okay, write it somewhere. So 40 schools had all four facilities. So for all four facilities, there should be uh, this which should cross all the schools, all the facilities. So this is the block. This block. This block is being intersected by F1 also, F2 also, F3 also, and F4 also. So that means this is the block where we will write 40. Next is number of schools with only F1. So only F1 would be only F2, only F3, and only F4 was 25, 30, 26, and 20 respectively. So only F1 is this portion, 25. Only F2 is this, 30. Only F3, 26 here, and only F4, 20 here. Okay. Next statement, number of schools with exactly 3 of the facilities was the same irrespective of which 3 were considered. So 3 facilities would be in the combination of F1, F2, F3, or 1, 2, 4, F1, F2, F4, or F1, F3, F4, or F2, F3, F4. There are 4 possible combination of these. So where would they lie in this Venn diagram? So one which is F1, F2, and F3 but not F4, this would be here. This is not intersected by F4, so we say there are some X number of schools here. Similarly, this is the block which is not intersected by F2. This is the block which is not intersected by F1. This is the block which is not intersected by F3. So here we have X number of schools here. Okay. Now 303 schools had F2. So if it is saying 303 schools had F2, so that means this whole subset is 303, 313. 26 schools had only F2 and F3, but neither F1 nor F4. So only F2 and F3, the one which intersects these two but not being intersected by F1 and F4. So this is the block which is intersected by only F2 and F3. So here also we have 26 schools. Among the schools having F4, 24 had only F3 and 45 had only F2. So these are the F4 schools. So F3 and F4 intersection are given here. The language is slightly different, but it means the school which is having only F3 and F4. So that is 24. So this is the F3 and F4 intersection area. Similarly, F2 and F4 area with 45 students. So F2 and F4, this is the intersecting area. It is not intersected by F1 also and F3 also. So these are 45. Okay. Now 162 schools had both F1 and F2. So both F1 and F2 area is this common area. I'll highlight it. So this whole area is for F1 and F2. There's nothing given whether it is being intersected by F3 and F4. So this is the area they are talking about. Okay. So let's say this is y. So we have 2x plus y plus 40 is equal to 162. So that means 2x plus y equal to 122. So we can write this statement somewhere. 2x plus y equals to 122. Also we have this 313 is equal to sum of all of these, right? So this will be, there are three x's, 3x plus y equal to 313 minus 30 minus 26 minus 45, that is 313 minus 141 is equal to 172. So subtracting these two, we get x equal to 50 and y equals to 122. Y equals to 22. Okay. Now coming to last statement, number of schools having F1 was the same as the number of schools having F4. So number of schools having F1 is this area under the globe of F1 and F4 is under the F4. So let's say this is A and let's say this is B. We have the values of x and y with us. So F1 and F4 are same. Okay. So here this F1 would be 150 plus 40, 190 plus 47. So it will be 237. So 237 plus A plus B is equal to this F4 area. That will be 150, 190, 210, 210 and 255, 279. So it will be 279 plus B. Okay, so here we get A as 42 with the help of these. Similarly, B can be found out by doing the total of all these, which is 600 minus 80, right? Because 80 I have nothing. So let's calculate that also. So F4 area we have as 279 plus B, right? We have seen that before. Okay. Then apart from F4 area, we are left with 26 into 2, 52 plus 30, 82. 82 plus x is x is 50. So 82 plus 75. So we can write it here. 82 plus 75 plus a is 42 and y is 22. So that is 64. That is equal to 600 minus 80, that is 520. Okay. So here we have to, calculating this, we are left with B is equal to 20. First question here is what was the total number of schools having exactly 3 of the 4 facilities. So 3 of the 4 facilities we have calculated. These were x, right? So x was 50. So 50 into 4, there are 4 x's. So 50 into 4, that is 200. What was the number of schools having facilities F2 and F4? So F2 and F4 would be this block, which is intersected by F2 and F4. So that will include this 40 plus 45 plus 2x. That is 85 plus 100. That is 185. What was the number of schools having only facilities F1 and F3? So only F1 and F3, which is not intersected by F2 and F4, is this A here, which we have calculated earlier. It is 42. What was the number of schools having facilities F1 and F4? Only, है ना? Having only facilities F1 and F4. So not to be intersected by F2 and F3. This is here at B, which is 20. So that was all for today. So see you in tomorrow for next video. Thank you.